Here's the deal. You are 100% an original item, and it is about time that you remembered that in the way you market your business.
I'm Yvette Mayer, and you're about to discover how the human design gates can help you create more engaging content to grow your business. In each episode, we explore a specific gate's unique frequency as a cosmic content code. Let's dive in.
Gate 23 in human design, it's a throat center gate, is all about assimilation. Now, even though this gate sits in the throat center, it does connect to the ajna. And so it has this self-expression essence about it. And what it asks of us is to be our incredibly original self. Now, I call this gate original insight because it is this combination of very insightful, let's call it intellect, combined with the expression to project that originality out into the world. I absolutely love this gate when it comes to marketing because originality is absolutely what is going to help you stand out and cut through in what can be a very cluttered environment. Gate 23 Original Insight gives you the power to trust that that original thinking, those unique insights that drop in for you, need to make it out into the world. Although I will say this, it is equally about what you say and waiting for the right time to say it. When these two things are correct, there's insights flowing through and a sense and instinct for the right timing, you better believe that that is when the power of communication expands and you're able to change the way that others think. And isn't that an amazing asset for marketing? So I know you have this question, how do I use Gate 23 when it comes to my content? Well, when Gate 23 is moving through the sun placement in the human design transits, which happens in May, it's the perfect time for you to tap into your original insight. But if you're born under this gate, if it sits in your sun personality or maybe your Mercury personality, this is always going to be relevant for you. So you definitely want to stay to the end where I share my 3 cosmic content prompts for human design Gate 23 Original Insight. And don't forget to click the subscribe button now so you never miss out on our weekly cosmic content prompts. And given Gate 23 sits within our throat center, it is of course particularly influential in communication. So let's explore the low frequency of Gate 23. How does this play out in the shadow frequency? Well, the Gate 23 or Gene Key 23 low frequency state is complexity. And you can see how this shows up. It's in having these original thoughts, but over-explaining, making things sound complicated and losing people along the way. That's the essence of the low frequency of Gate 23. And it's a risky place to hang out. It's almost like your ego says, I need more information to convince others of my original thoughts, when actually they will be far more well-received and potent when you make them simple. And this is in fact the high frequency of Gate 23. It's about relaxing into the simplicity, getting rid of the jargon and all of the BS, over-explaining and allowing yourself to share those original insights, making them crystal clear and super simple, and that's how you're going to change the world with your original thinking. And now it's time to share our cosmic content prompts for Gate 23, which we call in marketing Original Insight. And don't forget, this is relevant both when we're moving through Gate 23 in the Sun or even the Mercury transit, and if you happen to have Gate 23 in a prominent position in your human design body graph. Our first cosmic content prompt for Gate 23 is about helping others gain more clarity. I have to share with you, this is one of the things that my audience, maybe you, are seeking the most when they come to learn from me and work with me. They want more clarity. And what is the process I take them through to get into a place of clarity? This is the kind of content for me to share this week, and you as well. So you're going to be thinking about how can you help your audience create more clarity in what they're seeking in your specific niche. And our second cosmic content prompt for Gate 23, Original Insight, is about you sharing a very unique perspective. Now, I know this can be challenging if you're a generator or a manifesting generator, and I am giving you a prompt to, on an instant, come up with something original. But trust me, a content prompt is exactly the kind of thing that is going to put you into response. So I ask you again, what's coming through for you as I ask you to share an original insight, something that's a unique perspective that is yours, that it is high time you shared with your audience. And our third cosmic content prompt for Gate 23, Original Insight, speaks to the simplicity of this quote from Steve Jobs. You can always join the dots when you look backwards. I want you to borrow this wisdom and have a think about, how did you get to where you are today? And share the story of the key defining moments that have brought you here to sharing this incredible gift of yours with the world, and to help them with their challenges or desires through what you offer. To be clear, this is about looking backwards in the history of your life and looking for those defining moments or dots and linking them in a very simple way to tell your brand story. This is something we do in my signature Human Design for Marketing course, The Frequency Project, and it is absolutely gold. It is so powerful and captivating when it comes to your audience, when you're able to take them on the journey of your brand, why you do what you do, and how it's there to help them as well. I know you're loving this Human Design for Marketing Cosmic Content Code series, and I have a special gift for you for spending time with me. Go to the description now, and I'm going to offer you absolutely free my Introduction to Human Design for Marketing 101 Masterclass. That's right, you just need to go to the description and download it free. It's on demand and will be in your inbox instantly. And don't forget, go and hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss our episodes to help you create more resonant, relevant, and engaging content.